Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter that is working in Microsoft Excel. Working in Microsoft Excel 2010. So, in this section and in the other sections coming, we are going to learn how a spreadsheet software helps you analyze data and make business sections. We will become familiar with the different elements of a spreadsheet and learn your way around the Excel programs. So the question is, what is Microsoft Excel and what is spreadsheet software? So what's your answer? First one is, what is Microsoft Excel? So Microsoft Excel is the electronic spreadsheet programs that comes with Microsoft Office suite. And electronic spreadsheets is an application that used to perform numeric calculation and to analyze and present numeric data. One advantage of a spreadsheet is over pencil and paper is the calculations and update it automatically, and you can change this without having to recalculate them. So some of the abilities and what you can do with Excel, as you will see later in this session, are entering data accurately, recalculating your data, performing easily what is called what if analysis. So what if I sold? What if I sold twice as many units? What would be profit? And then how to change the appearance of the information via charts and use the different function and formulas in Excel. So let's get started here. Basically like I said, MS Excel is a part of MS Office. Workbook. Firstly, what is worksheet? Right? A spreadsheet is called a worksheet in Microsoft Excel. The data that you enter is stored as a workbook. A workbook is a collection of worksheets. A worksheet contains cells organized in the form of rows and columns. A worksheet begins with row number 1 and column A. The first cell has the cell address like A1. Like A1. It has a dark border around it, indicating that is the active cell. For example, this one is your worksheet. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4. So A, B, C, D, etc. These are called field name. That is the column. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the row. That is the row. that is the row, and this one is called column. A1 means what? A column A row 1, that is the A1. That is cell. Cell is the intersection of rows and columns. The intersection of rows and columns, that is called the cell. Cell is bounded by a rectangular border, and the rectangular highlighted border, that is called the active cell. A rectangular active cell. A rectangular highlighted border like this one, highlighted border, that is called the cell. Highlighted border like this one, that is called the active cell. Right? So under the MS Excel, number of columns is equal to 16,384 columns. Number of rows is equal to 10,48576, 10,48,576. That is the rows. Next one is, what is field name? Field name. The information display in a column. The information display in a column, that is called the field name. Suppose that name, roll, class, section is written here, right? So that is called the field name. Name, roll, class, section, that is called the field name, because the information display in a column, कॉलम में जो इंफॉर्मेशन डिस्प्ले करता है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? फील्ड नेम बोलते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज रिकॉर्ड, RECORD. The information is stored in a row. The information is stored in a row, that is called the record. जैसे कि राज, रोल नंबर 1, क्लास 8, सेक्शन 8. That is called the record. The information is stored in a row is called a record. That means राज नाम का स्टूडेंट है, जिसका रोल नंबर 1 है, क्लास 8 में पढ़ता है और जिसका सेक्शन A है. That is called the record. The extension of Microsoft Excel is .xlsx. That is the extension of Microsoft Excel 2010. .xlsx. That is the extension. MS Excel के अंदर हम लोग जो है डिफरेंट टाइप्स के वर्क्स करते हैं, जैसे कि कैलकुलेशन हो. कैलकुलेशंस इसके अंदर हम लोग करते हैं. फिर पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं. पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन का मतलब हुआ कि ग्राफ के थ्रू जो है, चित्र के थ्रू जो है, हम लोग उस रिकॉर्ड्स को, उस डेटा को डिस्प्ले कराते हैं. जैसे कि आप लोग मैच देखते हो, उसमें दो टीम का जो स्कोरिंग होती है, वो स्कोरिंग जो है कंपेयर करके पिक्टोरियल फॉर्म में डिस्प्ले किया जाता है कि 35 ओवर में जो है इंडिया ने कितना विकेट गंवाए थे, कितने रन स्कोर किए थे. फिर जो टीम होती है ऑस्ट्रेलिया, वो 35 ओवर में अपने कितने विकेट लॉस किए हैं और कितने रन बनाए। तो एक पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन करके जो है हम लोग एक वहां पे डिस्प्ले कराते हैं, राइट। सो लेट्स सी, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज वर्किंग विथ सीट टैब। वर्किंग विथ सीट टैब। There are the by default 3 seats tab are available under the MS Excel. But if you want to insert more than 3 seats, so you can click on Insert Seat tab. Also, we can move from one worksheet to another by clicking on them on the Seat tab in the Seat tab section. We can do the following, right? First one is, you can insert a new worksheet. You can insert a new worksheet. Right? You can insert a new worksheet. You can rename a worksheet. You can delete a worksheet. So first one is, you can insert a new worksheet. How to insert? How to insert a new worksheet? Step first. From the Sheet tab, right click on the worksheet. Before, where you want to insert a new worksheet. Then appear a pop-up menu. Pop-up menu means like dialog box, like this one. Click on Insert. Click on what? Insert option. Then appear Insert dialog box. Then select the worksheet. Select the worksheets option from General tab. Then click on OK button. A new worksheet gets inserted before the selected sheet name. That is the first one is clear. Next one is, you can rename a worksheet. Rename, R-E-N-A-M-E. Rename means what? Rename का मतलब क्या होता है? Rename means to replace the old name with a new name. In Excel, a worksheet is given by a default sheet name as Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3 and so on. Right? Suppose that first sheet name is Monies. I want to replace with Vivu. How can you do this? From the Sheet tab, right click on mouse button. Then appear a dialog box. Click on rename option. Click on rename option. Then appear a pop-up menu. Right. Click on rename. Click on rename. Right? Then replace with the new name. Then type the new name is VIII and click on OK button. A seat tab will be get replaced with a new name, that is the VIII. Next topic is you can delete a worksheet. How can you delete a worksheet under the MS Excel? So from the Sheet tab, right click on mouse button. Then appear a pop-up menu like this one. Click on delete. Then appear a dialog box. Then appear a message. If you want to delete current worksheet, two options are available. Yes, and next one is no. So if you want to delete it, click on yes. Right? Click on yes. Then your worksheet, then your current worksheet will be get deleted. Right now.